I'm Khodor Hammoud. I am a teacher researcher at Efrei in the Department of Data. I have a PhD in data science, specifically privacy in text. I have a master's degree in cybersecurity and a bachelor degree in computer science. Through social media, companies are now able to collect a lot of our personal information. It's our responsibility to raise awareness on how we handle our personal information online, even offline. I was the project manager and the team lead of a team of developers for a product that is a writing assistant powered by generative AI. That was actually before ChatGPT. At Efrei Executive Education, I've given a number of courses for managers who want a better understanding of computers, data, cloud, and AI. It was with a banking company. Best time was during the lunches that we had in the middle of each session. I got to learn a lot about France's finance system. My approach to training is normally practice-oriented. I use examples to explain new concepts. I alternate between explanation and exercises, and I use similes to refer to real-life examples to explain new ideas.